everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make cream cheese strawberry cookies. Alright, for our ingredients we need 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. You need a half a teaspoon of baking powder, not soda, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, and you're going to want that softened, which is half a stick. And then you need 4 ounces of cream cheese, and you want that also softened. That is also half a stick. Then we need 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, preferably from a fresh lemon, but you could also use the prepackaged lemon juice. Then we need 1 to 2 tablespoons of flour. And then you need 3/4 cup of chopped fresh strawberries. And then we need 5 ounces of white chocolate. So you could use just the white chocolate bars and chop those up, but I'm just going to use white chocolate chips. And then if you want sanding sugar, I have yellow, so that's what I'm going to use. So first let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 350 and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Alright, so now we want to go ahead and take your lemon and pour fresh lemon juice over your strawberries, and we're going to let that sit for a few minutes. Okay, my lemon juice is all squeezed out of half of my lemon. I did get a few seeds in there, so be sure you look for that and take those out. So we're going to let those sit for a few minutes, and then we're going to drain them. Okay, next in a small bowl, whisk your flour, your baking powder, and your salt together, and just set that to the side. Alright, so next we are going to beat our butter, our cream cheese, and our sugar until it's light and fluffy with an electric mixer. Okay, next we are going to add in our egg and vanilla extract and just mix it well. Alright, that looks good. Be sure to drain your strawberries if you haven't done that already from the lemon juice, and just set those to the side. Alright, next we're going to gradually add in our flour mixture into our wet ingredients and stirring that each time in between. I would do this in about 3 parts. Alright, next we are going to add in our white chocolate and just stir that with a spoon until it's combined. Alright, so next we are going to sprinkle our strawberries with 1 to 2 tablespoons of flour until all of them are pretty coated. Alright, that looks good, so now we're going to gently add those to our cookie mixture. Alright, that looks pretty combined. Now we're going to drop heaping tablespoons onto our cookie sheet and try to leave about an inch in between. Okay, my first batch is ready to go in, so we're going to stick this in the refrigerator for 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, now we're going to sprinkle these with sanding sugar and put it in there 13 to 15 minutes. Alright, this batch just came out of the oven. It was about 13 minutes for mine. Just check them on the bottom, see if they're getting brown. So now we're just going to let these sit right here for a couple minutes and then transfer them to a cooling rack to let them cool completely. Alright, my second batch just came out of the oven. I was able to make a total of 24. These ones kind of spread out a little more than the others, but I think it's I kind of pressed them down because it feels like the other ones aren't completely done in the middle. Like they're delicate, but they're so good. So we'll let these cool off too, and then we'll have Taste Tester have a little taste. Yeah. Alright, those are all set up, and they just look and smell amazing. So we'll have Taste Tester have a little taste and see what he thinks. Alright, Taste Tester, have a little taste.
Okay. Yummy.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.